Torrential rains paralyze Hong Kong. Torrential rains brought by a tropical low-pressure system have inundated Hong Kong, prompting the government to suspend classes at all schools today. The Black Rainstorm warning, the highest level alert, has been in force for over 10 hours as widespread flooding occurred across the territory, causing major disruptions to public transport. Chief Executive John Lee expressed grave concern and instructed all departments to devote their full resources to respond. He urged the public to remain indoors in safe locations during the adverse weather and heed the latest announcements. Over 70 millimeters of rain fell in most parts of Hong Kong from last night into the early morning hours, with some areas recording more than 200 millimeters. The Hong Kong Observatory said the heavy rains were brought by a low-pressure trough associated with the remnants of typhoon. Their station clocked 158.1 millimeters of rainfall in 1 hour last night, the highest hourly record since 1884.